Can the dragon outpace the eagle? Will the Middle Kingdom rise above the land of the free? These are questions that have been debated in economic circles for decades, as China's role in the global economy continues to evolve. China, with its massive population and rapidly industrializing economy, has been a formidable player on the world stage. Its economic strategy has primarily been focused on manufacturing and exports, propelling it to the status of the world's largest exporter. The country has also invested heavily in infrastructure and technology, fostering a high rate of economic growth. On the other hand, the United States, a long-standing economic powerhouse, has a diverse economy that is driven by an entrepreneurial spirit and innovation. The US leads in sectors such as technology, finance, and entertainment, and has a strong consumer market that fuels domestic demand. However, the economic growth rates of these two giants tell a complex story. China has experienced rapid growth, with rates often exceeding 6%. The United States, while not growing as quickly, has maintained a steady rate of around 2 to 3%. But these numbers only paint part of the picture. When it comes to economic strategies, China's approach is more state-driven, with the government playing a significant role in economic planning and business operations. The US, in contrast, adopts a free market system where private businesses and individuals make most economic decisions. Now let's bring our focus back to China. The question remains, can China's economic growth surpass that of the United States? Some argue that China's current economic struggles, including a lower-than-expected GDP growth, deflation, and a real estate crisis, may hinder its ability to outpace the US. In fact, some projections suggest that while China's GDP might briefly surpass the US's in the mid-2040s, it could fall back shortly after. Yet it's essential to remember that economies are not static. They evolve, adapt, and sometimes surprise. Despite its current challenges, China's potential for growth and development should not be underestimated. It has a vast domestic market, a growing middle class, and a government committed to technological advancement and economic reform. In conclusion, the future of the global economy and China's role within it is a fascinating and complex subject. Will China surpass the United States? Only time will reveal the answer, but one thing is for sure. The economic dance between these two giants will continue to shape our world in the years to come.